Here's another sandwich for you. Today we're making a chicken Caesar Milanesa. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
So there's this viral recipe flooding social media, and it's a sandwich made with a breaded chicken cutlet and topped with a Caesar salad. We're starting with the Milanesa, which is a breaded meat cutlet that originated in Milan, Italy, but has taken root in Latin countries like Argentina, Peru, Uruguay, and Mexico. Okay, here we have our chicken breast that I put on top of a piece of parchment paper, and I'm going to place one on top as well because we're going to flatten this out with a meat mallet. It's going to tenderize it, but also make sure that that piece of chicken is even so that it cooks evenly. Okay, now I want to unscrew this, turn it around, because I want to use these pointed ends to also tenderize the meat, but also create those nooks and crannies so that our seasoning and our egg wash and our breadcrumbs can adhere to. We'll do that on both sides. Okay, then we're going to season. I have here some salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. And this is going to be used to season our chicken. Making sure to season both sides. Place that on a plate. Okay, we're going to begin our egg wash. I have an egg here, and I'm just going to add a little bit of heavy cream, and I'm going to add some of that same spice mixture that I used for the chicken. Give that a quick whisk. And we're going to place our chicken in the egg mixture. We're going to add some panko breadcrumbs. I like using panko because it provides that crispy texture that I'm looking for. Now we're going to take our chicken, put it right in the breadcrumbs. Just like that. And we're going to take these cutlets and place them in the refrigerator until we get our oil hot. Okay, I have my cast iron pan with about a cup of oil, and it's just beginning to smoke. We're going to add our Milanesa. Okay, now we're going to flip it over. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to transfer the Milanesa to a sheet pan with a wire rack so that the excess oil drips. Then we're going to place this in a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes to finish cooking. Meanwhile, we'll cut up 2 heads of romaine lettuce that we're going to wash and spin dry in a salad spinner. Which is a super useful tool to have in the kitchen. Every now and then I like to take shortcuts. Just make sure it's an excellent product like this Mazzetti Supreme Caesar dressing. And I'm also adding Cotija cheese, which is the Mexican version of Parmesan. Okay, now we're going to dress our Caesar. Okay, then we're going to take that Cotija cheese and we're just going to grate it. I like to also add some cracked black pepper. Give that a quick toss. And we are ready to assemble. Okay, for the bread, I actually went to this local Italian market and I was originally looking for focaccia, but they said they didn't have any, but they had fresh Italian bread coming out of the oven and I just couldn't resist. And then cut in half lengthwise. I have here tune garlic dip. If you haven't tried this, oh, amazing. You just spread that on the bottom. Then we're gonna take that Milanesa, that chicken Milanesa, place that right on top. Hit it with the Caesar salad. Drizzle it with a little extra Caesar dressing. Take that cheese. A little bit more cracked black pepper. And top it with the other half. And there you have it. Chicken Caesar Milanesa. Sabroso.
If you like this video, click the recipe tab in the video description, which will take you to our recipe page on Provecho, where you'll get a printer-ready format of the recipe that links directly to Instacart, so you can shop for all the ingredients instantly. You can also follow along with the video as you make something sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.